Hi, this is Rich with GPS, helping you keep track of your projects and keep your projects on track. Today we'll be answering another frequently asked question. All right, so we have the question here. What's a better way to track project tasks? On an Excel spreadsheet, or can I just use Post-its? Well, the answer is neither. The answer is you're not really using the right tools to be able to track project tasks. What you're really doing is you're creating lists to help track work getting done. That's what you can do in Excel. That's what you can do with Post-its, and that's what you can do with a lot of collaboration software that's out there. It's simply tracking work. It's not tracking project work though. And the big difference between managing tasks and managing projects is that projects are accomplished by completing chains of work. And you need to know what those chains are, and you need to know what those priorities are. Unfortunately, Excel, which is very common, and Post-its, which are also ubiquitous, well, they don't help you understand which of the tasks should be the top priority tasks. Which of the tasks do you need to focus on? And so the best thing you need here is to get some help to get true project management software. Software that deals with the dependencies among tasks, that honors the fact that chains of tasks are what you need to focus on, and something that will give you the data to help you know where to prioritize your time. Okay, that's good for today. Please subscribe, please jot down some comments and visit the website. And remember, don't start your project without GPS.